Equal highs, EQH. So what is equal highs? Initially, it's just liquidity. So for example, if you're taking this double top, which is what retail view it as, it's a double top. They've taken a trade, they've sold the market on the way down. Okay, cool, fine, they've made money, right? The way we trade equal highs, quote, double tops, is if we're buying the market at this particular area, a good area to be taking profit is just above the equal highs, because what normally tends to happen is that when price goes above the equal highs, which is initially just liquidity, there's lots of liquidity there, the market tends to completely plummet. So it's a good area to be taking profit for the buys, and it's also a good area to be selling the market for the sell. So we want to enter above the equal highs. If we go to the current market conditions, and you can already see that price has, literally just come off this liquidity pool. So liquidity pool is something that you'll learn in further videos, right? And you can see already the rejection on this particular liquidity pool. So, price has gone up. Price is trending up, 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 up. This is the valid liquidity pool based off this equal highs. And look at the rejection. Look at the accuracy on the way down, right? Once and if this fails and it climbs higher, then we simply look for sells above the next liquidity pool, which would be approximately around here now. This would be the next area of liquidity. So we want to be selling the market at this particular area for the sell. And if it fails, the next level of liquidity is based off this liquidity pool just above here. So this is how you trade the equal highs. You want to be selling the market above the equal highs, normally above a liquidity pool, or you want to be targeting the equal highs. You want to be targeting the retail stops.